Hi friends, welcome to Science Hub. Today's topic is parts of a plant. It is related to class 3. Let us see introduction. Our body is made up of different parts such as eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, etc. As each part of our body has a particular function. Similarly, a plant's body too has different parts and each part has some functions. Let us discuss about each part of plant in detail. First of all, we discuss about parts of a plant. The part of the plant which grows below the ground is called root. The part of the plant which grows above the ground is called shoot. The shoot has stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Firstly, we will discuss about the root. There are two types of roots, tap roots and fibrous root. Tap root. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root, it is called tap root. Examples: bean and mustard. Fibrous root. When a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, it is a fibrous root. Example: wheat, onion. Next we will see the functions of the root. The root fixes the plant in the soil. The roots absorbs water and salts from the soil. In some plants, the extra food is stored in the root. Example: carrot, radish, beetroot and turnip. We eat roots of such plants. Next we will see the stem. Let us discuss about the stem. The stem grows above the ground. The nature of stem is different in different plants. Here are some examples. The stem of the neem is hard, strong and woody. Such a stem is called trunk. The stem of banana is green, thick and soft. The stem of money plant is green, weak and soft. It needs support. Let us discuss about functions of the stem. The main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. The stem carries water to the leaves. The stem carries the food made by the leaves to different parts of the plant. In sugarcane, the extra food is stored in the stem. In some plants like potato and ginger, the stem grows below the ground and stores extra food. Here we will see the pictures. Next, let us discuss about the leaf. The most important part of the shoot is the leaf. The flat and broad part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or leaf lamina. The middle line of the leaf is called main vein. A number of side veins branch out from the main vein. The leaf is attached to the branch by a stalk. This is the structure of a leaf, as we have discussed in the previous slide. Here these are the different parts of a leaf: margin, stalk, midrib, vein, lamina or blade. Now let us discuss about the functions of the leaf. A green leaf prepares food for the plant with the help of water, air and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. So that leaf is called as kitchen or food factory of the plant. In some plants, the extra food is stored in the leaves. Example: cabbage, spinach and lettuce. Let us discuss about the most beautiful part of the plant, that is flowers. Here are some pictures of the flowers are given below. Do you identify them?
Rose, marigold, sunflower, hibiscus.
Yes, very good. A young flower is known as bud. Now let us know how a flower grows into a fruit. flower. Flower changes into embryo. Embryo develops into fruit. Fruits and seeds. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed. Example, mango. Some fruits have many seeds. Example, papaya. Now let us discuss about most plants grow from seeds. Most new plants grow from seeds. Seeds are usually protected inside the fruit. There is a baby plant and its food inside the seed of the mother plant. When the seed gets enough air, water and warmth, the baby plant starts growing. It grows till it is a fully grown plant. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Press bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.